Today I decided to make lazy dumplings with a very interesting filling. Frozen raspberries. And I'll also add raspberry juice right into the dough to give it a beautiful pink color. First, in a mixing bowl, crack 1 small egg. Add half a teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a tablespoon of vanilla sugar for a nice aroma. Mix everything well until the sugar dissolves. Now, we'll need 500 grams of cottage cheese with 5% fat. Add it to the bowl and mash it with a potato masher until it becomes soft and smooth. We want the mixture to be creamy and tender. Next, I'll take 120 grams of frozen raspberries. I prepared some berries for winter and warm them up in the microwave for about 40 seconds. Then, press the raspberries through a sieve to remove the seeds. You'll get a fragrant, bright juice with a bit of pulp. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. If you add baking soda or baking powder, the dough will turn blue or purple. That's because raspberries contain anthocyanins, natural pigments that change color in an alkaline environment. From pink-red, they become blue or violet. So, to keep a beautiful light pink shade, don't add baking soda or baking powder. Instead, add a little acid, like a teaspoon of lemon juice. Now, add 3 tablespoons of flour. While kneading, I'll check the consistency and add a little more if needed. Then, cover the dough with a towel and let it rest for 20 minutes. Sprinkle the table with flour. Place the dough on top and divide it into several portions. Roll each portion into a log, and if it sticks to your hands, just dust them lightly with flour. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Cut the logs into small pieces, about 1.5 to 2 centimeters each. Roll each piece into a small round ball. This way, all the dumplings will look neat and beautiful on the plate. Lightly dust the board with flour and place the dumplings on it, so it's easy to transfer them into the pot later. From half of the dough I got 75 dumplings. I'll cook the rest later.
While the water is heating, I'll finish shaping the rest. Once the water is boiling, add half a teaspoon of salt. Then gently drop the dumplings into the pot one by one. Give them a gentle stir to make sure they don't stick. After the water comes to a boil again, cook for 1 minute. Time's up, let's take them out. Look how beautiful these lazy dumplings turned out. They're soft, aromatic and perfect for breakfast or a light dinner. Kids especially love them. They're pink and look like little dessert pastries. I'll top them with some fresh raspberry puree and a sprinkle of powdered sugar. It looks just like a restaurant-style dish. Beautiful, delicious and very simple to make. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. See you again soon with more tasty recipes. Bye bye!